Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to talk to you about two products, our EBC-400 and EBC-800 electrical wall box cutters. The EBC-400 is for a single gang box and the EBC-800 is for a double gang box. These electrical box cutters are attachments for multi-tools and are used for cutting holes in drywall for single gang and double gang boxes for existing construction or old world sized boxes. Both tools are made from stainless steel. The EBC-400 is 2 3/8 inches wide by 3 3/4 inches high. The EBC-800 is 4 inches wide by 3 3/4 inches wide. Note that these must be used with an oscillating multi-tool and fit most standard multi-tools. Thank you.